Hola, hola. Thanks for tuning in to Spanish with Dr. Fisher. I am here in beautiful Barcelona. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the verb gustar. Gustar. So gustar actually means to be pleasing, all right? And with gustar, we're going to use the indirect object. So we have me, te, le, nos, os, and les. As we know, vosotros is only used in Spain, okay? So for the rest of the world, you'll use me, te, le, nos, and les. So let's think about how gustar works. A lot of people don't actually realize that gustar is a regular AR verb. So we conjugate it just like we would any other AR verb. But the thing is, we're saying to whom something is pleasing, okay? So if I were to say, me gusta la basilica is pleasing to whom? To me, okay? It's the same thing if I were to say, te gusta la basilica. In that case, la basilica is pleasing to whom? To you, okay? And actually, it's a little bit confusing because if we were to say something like, me gustas, okay? If we think about what gustas means, it means you are pleasing. So I would be saying, you are pleasing to me, okay? Me gustas. Now, if I flip that around and I say te gusto, that would mean I am pleasing to you, okay? If you want to say that you like multiple things, you would actually be saying those things are pleasing to whom? To me, okay? So in this case, I could say something like, me gustan las naranjas, okay? So in this case, we have las naranjas, which are plural, more than one. And so they are pleasing to whom? To me. So a little bit different from how you may be used to it in English, but that's how it works.